Hello scientists, welcome back to science class. So today we are going to learn about the water cycle, and I wanted to show you guys a interactive diagram to help us learn a little bit more in depth about the water cycle. So I'm going to click on that link and it's going to bring me to this USGS page. We know that's a credible resource, so I know that all the information here is going to be reliable and credible. So when we look at this interactive diagram, we can see that a lot of things are labeled, different plants and animals and all these little raindrops that are doing different things. We can see that there are labels. So when we hover over these labels, then there's a drop down or sometimes it's up of more information about that specific label. So I would like you guys to go and explore in this interactive diagram because a lot of the things that are mentioned in this diagram aren't necessarily mentioned in our book or Go Noodle. So it's good for us to look at all the different things that might not be mentioned but still play a role in the water cycle. Like condensation, evaporation, those are all precipitation, those are all parts of the water cycle that we are going to hear in the song and in the book, but we might not hear about volcanic steam or evapotranspiration um, or seepage. These are all words that we might not hear in the book or the song, but we can learn about in this interactive diagram because the water cycle is something very big in our world that happens in our Earth system. So sometimes there are words that we might not hear about in some resources, but we can hear about here. So I would like you to look through and see all the different labels and how they play a role in our water system. This link is in our Google Slides, so you guys all have access to it, but I will also post a link on the Google Classroom so that you can come back to it whenever you need to reference the diagram. All right, guys, thank you so much. See you soon.